Guys, we have already seen the if formula. The basic form of if formula we have already seen. Now further, let me explain to you the advanced version of the if formula. For that, let's see the scenario. In a company, there are some employees working and each employee get $3 per hour as a pay. And this employee works for 5 days a week and each day consists of 9. Now, the thing is that in past week, there are some employees who have done overtime and company have decided to give them the extra pay as a bonus. So you can see there are some of the employees who have worked for more than 45 hours and company has decided to give them an amount of $20 as a bonus. So we need to find out what is the final amount of those employees after giving them the bonus amount, and company has also decided a category that those who have worked for more than 50 hours will be into A category. The employee who are between 45 and 50 will get B category, C category. So we have to find the final amount of that employee and the employee falls in which category. So let's do that. We'll start with the if formula. I go into the formula bar and I write here if and press enter and I get the if formula. I click on OK and now I want this cell as a logical test value. So what I want to check is if this cell is greater than 50, then the employee will get this amount, which is the actual pay up for his working hours. So I select this plus the bonus amount, which is the $20. And in case he is working less than 50, then he will only get the amount for which he have worked for. So I select the amount to be paid and then I click on OK and I see that the first employee who have exceeded his working hours above 53, who is already earning 159, is now earning $179. So I come here, clicked on the dollar button and then I drag this formula and you can see now there is a difference. Whoever employee is higher than 50 will get a difference amount of the bonus amount. That is, you can see the 71 has now turned into 9. Now we have to give the category. The category is already available over here. If he is above 50, then he will come into the A category. Between 45 to 50 will come into B category and below 45 will come in C category. So I will start with my if formula. Select my if formula. Now I have to give the logical test. You can see the logical test. I select this and I say that if this cell, that is the D44 cell, is greater than 50, then give me the result of A. So I give the value there as A. I have to write that into inverted comma because it is a text. So I have given the A alphabet into the text format with giving an inverted comma. Now again I will type if. I select if formula. If I again select the same cell and give the logical test that if that cell is greater than or is equal to 45, then give me the value as B. So I select the inverted comma and write B. I press the comma and the last category is the C category. So I can directly type here C. I don't have to give any logical test now because it is the last category, and close the brackets and press enter. So now you can see that since this employee is higher than 50, so he falls into the A category. I drag this formula. I don't have to lock anything since there is no cell range selected, so I can directly drag this. And now you can see the employees who are in A category, B category and C category. I go ahead, select my data. I go ahead first and right click, copy, right click, paste special as values and click on OK. So the formula is gone now, and now I select my data, go to data and click on filter, and now I can check out which person belongs to which category. I select A and I can see the A category employees, the B category employees and the C category employees. So this way you can guys go ahead and try the if formula, and we move on to the next tutorial.